today I am going to talk about the general method of preparation of alcohols. Last classes I am going to talk about what is an alcohols and how we are going to classify the alcohols and which basis we are going to classify the alcohols. Next I am going to talk about the nomenclature. That means how we are going to give the name for different types of alcohol, which basis, that is common names and IUPAC names we are going to talk. Now today I am going to talk about the method of preparation of alcohols. The first method, that is from alkene. I am going to prepare an alcohol from alkene. By acid catalyzed hydration. By acid catalyzed hydration reaction, we are going to prepare an alcohol from alkane. See here, I am going to take an alkene, lower alkene, that is an ethene. Alkene anta karibodu. Alkene is an alkene. Specifically ethene. I am going to react with an water. That means undergoes hydration. This water molecule is going to attack on the carbon-carbon double bonds. In the presence of an acid, that is dilute sulfuric acid, that means that is undergoes protonation, acidification. We are going to obtain a compound that is an alcohol. Alcohol. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸಲ್ಫ್ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಅನ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್. See here, unsymmetrical alkene ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು? It is, what is this? Propene. I am going to take propane. It undergoes hydration. That means addition of water. We are going to obtain addition of water in the presence of an acid. We are going to obtain the two products. One is two propanol. The other one is one propanol. The two propanol as obtained as major product. They are taken as major products, but one propanol we are going to take as minor product. See here, I am going to take an symmetrical alkene, but I am going to take an unsymmetrical alkene. If an unsymmetrical alkene undergoes an hydration in the presence of an acid, we are going to obtain a two product. One is 2-propanol and one is one propanol. See here, in this reaction is based on the Marconic of role. Marconics of role. What the Marconics of role states that when an unsymmetrical molecule adds to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the molecule gets attached to the carbon atom which having the least number of hydrogen atom. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್? ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಯನೈಸ್ ಆದಾಗ H+OH- ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ OH- ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇವೆ? 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಈ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದನೋ? ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕ್. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು obtain ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವುದೋ ಅನ್ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅನ್ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅಸಿಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು 2 ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್. Dear friends, this is one of the method by by acid catalyzed. That means we are going to use an acid as a catalyst. Therefore, we are going to call them as acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration nothing but addition of water. The double bonds. From this method, from the alkenes, we are going to obtain an alcohol. This is one of the method. Next, another method that is also preparation of an alcohol from an alkene, but by using the another reagent, that is hydroboration. It is boron. Diboron ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are going to prepare the alcohols. See here also I am going to prepare an alcohol, but by using the reagent that is diborane. That is we are going to call them as by hydroboration, oxidation reaction. We are going to prepare an alcohol from an alkene by using borane. By doing the oxidation reaction, we are going to obtain the alcohols. Okay, let us see. We are going to take and here also I am going to take an unsymmetrical alkene, that is higher alkene. Higher alkene ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? Propane. I am going to take propane. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು? Propane ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. The propane is going to react with boron. ಯಾವ ಬೋರಾನು? Diborane. Diborane reacts with an diborane in the presence of THF, in the presence of, that is tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. It is a very good catalyst. Catalyst act ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. We are going to obtain an additional product, that is additional product. We are going to obtain the additional product. It further reacts with an propene. Further reacts with an propene. Further reacts with propene. Here we are going to add the propane. We are going to lose the one hydrogen. In place of hydrogen, we are going to add the alkyl group. We are going to add excess of an alkene, that is propane. We are going to obtain a compound that is trialkyl boron. Trialkyl boron. This is dialkyl boron hydride. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The obtained compound boron undergoes hydrolysis. We are going to add the water in the presence of an alkene. In presence of an alkyl. Alkyl means sodium hydroxide. We are going to add the sodium hydroxide. It undergoes oxidation in the presence of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide. In the presence of an hydrogen peroxide, we are going to obtain a compound that is an alcohol. It is an alcohol. It is, what is the compound name? Propanol. 1-propanol. The major product is we are going to obtain 1-propanol, and we are going to obtain the byproduct, that is boric acid. We are going to obtain the boric acid. Boric acid. We are going to obtain boric acid. See students, we are going to obtain an higher alcohol from an propene by doing reaction with an borane. We are going to obtain, that is trialkyl boron. This further hydration in the presence of an alkali, in the presence of good oxidizing agent, that is hydrogen peroxide, we are going to obtain an alcohol. These product obtained, this reaction is done based on the anti-Marconics. It is opposite to the Marconics, because we are going to observe that is when we are going to add the nucleophile that will attach to the carbon atom which having the higher number of hydrogen atom, not attached to the less number of hydrogen atoms. Therefore, this reaction is based on the, it is anti-Marconic of role. Anti-Marconic of role. This reaction is called hydroboration reaction. What is hydroboration reaction? When an higher alcohol is obtained from an alkane, is reacts with diborane. What is this compound name? Diborane. This is a diborane. In the presence of suitable in presence of suitable catalyst, that is tetrahydrofuran, we are going to obtain a compound that is trialkyl boron. This trialkyl boron is going to react with suitable alkali in the presence of a water, that is very good oxidizing agent, that is hydrogen peroxide. We are going to obtain an alcohol. This reaction is called hydroboration oxidation reaction. We are going to add hydrogen, boron undergoes oxidation. Therefore, we are going to call them as hydroboration oxidation reaction. Yes, students, these are the two methods of preparation of an alcohols from alkanes. One is acid catalyzed. We are going to use acid as a catalyst. Another one is hydroboration, because we are going to use the boron, it is and undergoes oxidation. Therefore, we are going to call them as hydroboration reactions. Okay, thank you.